Right, so video number 2, we're going to weld the Volvo's diff, fix a few things because the exhaust fell off, it's in the back. You might not be able to see it, it's probably dark again. Yeah, so we're going to do some Volvo stuff. Should be a bit entertaining, purely because stuff will go wrong again, as always, as per every Midnight Potato experience. But we are now selling stickers. So if you want some, send me a message on YouTube and we'll send them out. I'll put a picture on the screen now of what they look like. Awesome, let's weld some diffs. So already we've got the Volvo up in the air and we've concluded it is very fucked. The diff leaks like a sieve, the lowering blocks don't match. Obviously I've got my mad open down pipe.
It's got mad angle though.
It's got mad lock mods apparently. Because it's this stupid lock. I wouldn't be surprised if it's been done because it's got Land Rover shocks in the rear for a stiffer rear end for more mad skids. But it does have officially the most open diff in the world. I'm spinning the other wheel and that one is not moving. Which is why it doesn't like to skid at all, if I'm honest. What's the issue?
A small amount of brake cleaner may have just gone on the chocolate.
No! You've got brake cleaner in my chocolate. It'd be fine, it'll evaporate in a second. And then I'll get drunk off of chocolate.
Yeah!
It'd be amazing. But my engine doesn't leak, that's always good. The sump is fine. Otherwise the car is pretty much fucked. Considering I've had it for 3.5 weeks and we've been skidding almost constantly in Mexico, never on UK roads. Trump would not be a fan. It's not in amazing shape, but it's not the worst. Your best mate Trump, that's bad. But we're going to get banned from YouTube already.
He's a dickhead.
Yeah.
Definitely a dickhead.
Well, I've lost my voice as well. So tonight is going to be... Got brake cleaner in his eye already. But it's going well already. This is good news. So we got the diff open. It looks actually okay. It's not been welded in the past. It's not ruined. Here comes Churchy with the welder. So we're gonna weld this now, and then next is the exhaust's turn to be repaired. But yeah, it's all about the mad diffs at the moment.
Yeah, I'll get in there.
You'll get in there?
Yeah.
You sure? Remember, we've got to plate it.
You won't be able to plate that, mate.
Yeah, you will.
I won't get a plate in there. The gap's too small.
People have plated.
Oh, we can try.
We'll make one up, like a tiny one.
Oh, I've got some plate. Yeah, we can make one up.
Angle grinders are life.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I've got Volvo keys on me.
So here we go. We're just plugging in the welder.
Maximum power.
Maximum power. Yeah, like I said, I've lost my voice. So here we go. Churchy's getting all Rambo'd up in his Meg mask.
That's William.
William, I don't know.
William the welding mask.
William the welding mask. Will I am. In a minute, if I'm done with it, it'll be Will I was. So the gas is on. The welds are good. Well, actually, not yet. They're not. I'm going to film welding while covering my eyes. It's going to be fun. Fuck me. I looked at that. The oil's on fire. This is...
That is not
Oh, fucking hell. Burning straight through the fucking thing. That's badass, though.
Yeah, we need to put that out.
That's not a good idea. Fuck. Don't use the fire extinguisher. Okay, we're using the fire extinguisher. Oh fuck. It is. There we go, we're good. It melted all the plastic. Well, this has gone well. Our first... I like the fact our first weld set everything on fire. We didn't think about that, did we?
Oh, the fact that we just filled up with brake cleaner.
And then just... That was awesome.
Let's continue.
Right, attempt number 2. You need to actually attach an... So the diff is preliminarily welded. That came out wrong, I don't know. But the diff has many welds in it. So we're just getting some plate out to do the next bit, plate the diff, and make some good diffs, as opposed to like eBay diff. Right, we'll be fine. So like I said, the diff's all done. Me and Churchy are currently attempting to drill out a tip for the welder because it keeps getting stuck. Mainly because we were running it on full power and forgot, because we were welding the diff earlier, and now we're sorting out the exhaust, which is mostly sorted out. There's cable ties and there's some sleeving, but we are getting there slowly but surely.
I need the old bit.
You need the old bit? Oh crap, where's it gone?
I threw it somewhere.
You knob. Right, crap. So this is going to be fun. So we'll be back when we maybe find that bit and sort of maybe get the exhaust finished. What are you doing, Churchy?
I'm talking to you through a tube.
What we actually do?
Tube cam.
Tube cam. This is going to have a recording light on it that says tube cam, you know that. The dodgiest, most bird shit welds in history have happened, bodging my exhaust back together. And then we're going to add some mad flexi, more flexi, and then many pipes. I don't know, like, what sleeve? The exhaust sleeve that's in my hand, or?
No, the one that I cut in half.
Oh, God fucking knows. Well, we'll find it in a minute. So we sorted out the exhaust with many heat wraps and a lot of bodging. Uber bodge. That's it, that's going to become a shirt. And now we're putting the diff back together after we RTB it instead of welding it, because we're RTBing the cover back on. We aren't just like RTBing a diff to shit and hoping it holds as diff lock life. But that's so bodged. But so's everything we do here. So it will be fine.
Ass monkey.
Ass monkey. Yeah. Ass monkey garage.
Alex won't like that because he's like, oh, roadkill's something better.
Roadkill is better, but you know.
It's like gas monkey, but better.
It is better. Infinitely.
Fucking watch it.
Watch it. Yeah, you do.
I have to add on one regularly.
But anywho, the diff is going back together. That's always good news. Otherwise, there should probably be some donut videos in a minute, which is pretty much all that's going to happen tonight. And then I think we might be done. So we are pretty much done for the night. We've put the diff back together. We've topped up the diff oil, which we didn't use diff oil for. What else have we done? The exhaust is bodged to crap.
Oh, super bodge.
Super bodge. I love this. Cable ties and then heat wrap. Oh,
because race car.
Because race car. That's fine. And otherwise, I need to torque up this wheel because it's been off to test fit the E30 wheels, which don't fit, unsurprisingly. I need to put my airbox back on, and then we'll do donuts. I think that's probably a good way to end a video. Yeah.
I think we'll end it with a workshop burnout.
Are we doing another workshop burnout?
I think we'll do a workshop burnout.
We'll try to. Might put some oil down, but you know.
No, workshop burnout's cool, we'll do one.
It'll be fine, we'll do a workshop burnout. It's cool. You're buying me new tyres. But otherwise, yeah, we're pretty much done. Right, so the Volvo's back on the floor. We're about to do our first drive with the welded diff, which should be many entertaining considering it's going to be me and Churchy in a rear-wheel drive car with a welded diff with 0 power. And Churchy's giggling in here on his own, doing his laces.
Take my boots off.
Yeah,
These are the world's coolest boots, by the way.
They are actually. I have
They are the coolest boots in the
They're
world.
pretty damn cool. I can't remember what ones I have. I've got Lee Coopers.
Lee Coopers.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, they're cool boots, but I don't wear them. I wear Vans all the time. That's totally not an advertisement. You're an Adidas man.
Yeah.
Well, you're a faggot.
If it hasn't got 3 stripes, I won't wear it.
If it hasn't got 3 stripes, you won't wear it.
Yeah. Unless they work.
Yeah, that's fair enough. Well, Let's go on a drive. Right. Here we go. The first journey with the welded diff.
Actual welded diff.
Oh fuck me already.
That's horrendous.
But then again, this has the tightest turning circle in history.
Oh dear.
That's bad. I'm ready.
Yeah, go left because it'll be flooded down there.
Okay.
Door just decided to open itself.
Okay, cool. My steering feels like it really wants to centralise itself.
So, yeah, it's driving.
Well, that's good news. It's very, very wet out there.
Wet is an understatement.
Yeah.
It's warm in here though.
That's because it's been running for like 10 minutes. Where do we go here?
Left.
Left. Oh, really?
Yeah.
Here?
Yes.
This is gonna skip like fuck.
Actual skid.
Immediate skid. And it didn't kill us both. Like, that's always good news.
It's not ridiculously loud now. Puddles.
Oh my god. Water in the distributor.
Yeah, now would be
Down again.
now would not be a good time for that.
It broke down in the first video. Where are we going here?
Left. People aren't going to be able to see anything.
They might see street lights. If this video's
like a
garbage,
dash mount.
yeah, it needs a dash mount. Really.
I've got one at home.
If this video is garbage, then we won't use it. Where are we going here?
Straight on. You can't go anywhere but straight on.
Oh, okay, yeah, sorry, I had a moment. I thought it was like a roundabout. I was like, yeah, do a skid. Should we try and do a skid?
Yeah, on a little roundabout. I don't want to break it.
Already?
I know, you put doubt in me now. You've doubted me.
Shit, speed camera.
You don't know how fast you're going.
No, not at all. Speedo don't work. But we weren't going too fast because we didn't get flashed, so we're good.
Yeah, but if we got flashed, we'd go, chopped!
Sure.
Left here.
Left here.
Yeah.
No reverse entry.
No, probably not the best idea.
Needs a hydro.
I did say about the handbrake, we could
The
maybe
garbage
do
handbrake.
something.
It doesn't do anything.
I reckon you could do skids with handbrake. No, not down here.
Bap, just crash
There's
immediately.
normally like a big puddle down
It's
here.
not like-
Big puddle!
It's not like completely undrivable, this. I was kind of expecting it to be worse, but I'm happy. Like, this is a drivable welded diff, which I wasn't expecting. How much quieter is it?
It's so much better with that pipe on and the heat wrap of race carness.
The race car heat wrap, no. Which is probably dissolving in the rain.
Nah, it'll be fine. It's got 2 clamps and some tape holding it on.
Mint. The tape will be on fire.
Yeah, no. If it falls off, I didn't fill it.
You should. Oh. I like how we just bodged the shit out of this car.
Well, I only bodged it because it's in the nature of the car. If it was anyone else's car, I would have done it properly.
Yeah, fair. It's in the nature of the owner, not the car. Fuck me, that's flooded.
Yeah, I'd slow down for that because water and dizzy cap in the middle of there would not be a good idea. Power!
Yeah,
Like a Honda.
it's bad. We need to fix that.
Does
Oh
it
my God,
flame?
many coals.
Does it flame?
It does, but only when I keybang.
Do it. I'll film some flamage.
But when I keybang, the lights go off.
Oh yeah, probably not a good idea then.
Yeah, no. I would put the window up.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the window up because it's fucking
Yeah.
freezing. These hydraulic windows.
Hydraulics are nice.
God, that took forever to do up.
Yeah, I know. Alex complains about them. He's like, they're the slowest hydraulic
Yeah, but
windows
Alex is
ever.
gay.
He is, yeah. We'll get a video of his 14 next time. I was watching him have an accident at Tesco Express roundabout in Hedge End. And, I mean, in Mexico.
Puddle.
This
This is.
is a big one though.
I would go straight on here. round there. Without killing me, please. I want to go that way.
Yeah, it didn't even step out. That's kind of annoying. It needed a clutch kick, which is good, I guess. It means I'm not just going to end up backwards everywhere. Left.
Yep. This road is horrendous.
That was the worst skid ever.
This road is so bumpy.
And this car is so questionable in suspension.
Oh, what is knocking? I think it's the door.
Everything knocks. Oh my god.
That's horrible. So, side exit Volvo with a welder is
Good.
it's good.
So we're going out in the Churchy wagon just so I can experience mad popcorn limiters and
It's the Skoda of doom.
the Scooter of Doom. It's going to be entertaining to say the least. Oh my god, your windscreen is like hella cracked.
Oh yeah.
Much illegal.
No, it's not obscuring my view of the road, so...
This is terrible, but okay. But here we go. Alright, we're out in the Skoda. Oh, it makes many turbos.
Yeah.
Such turbo.
Unfortunately, the window's broken.
Yeah, oh, that's fine. Worst things
Broke
have
the
happened.
passenger window the other day.
What kind of power does this make?
220.
220, what, brake?
Yeah.
And then torques.
380, 400 something.
400 Newton meters of torque.
Ooh. Police of doom.
Many polices.
Police of doom.
Let's not go that way. Well, it's only a Fiesta, they won't be able to keep up.
No, they don't.
It's fine.
They don't keep up in Mexico.
Yeah, no, not in Mexico, ever. She's the slow police of Mexico.
This guy sucks. Why is he going so slow?
Because he doesn't have a rapid Skoda with many boosts. Here we goes.
Get out of the puddle.
That is the best diesel noises I have ever heard in my life.
That is many hydroplanings as well.
We were only doing 50 though, like on this 50-mile-an-hour road in Mexico.
Yeah.
Completely. So as well as tonight has gone, we've just, I think, broken my Volvo again. Ow! So let's have a look under the code.
You basically lost one side and the other side's this side's still attached.
Oh! Okay.
You got any pliers?
Not on me.
Oh. Hang on. Fuck's sake. Laying on the floor.
In the wet. I'm sure you can see a lot, but...
Stay. Right.
No, I did a fart.
I can't pull it. We'll just have to go.
It'll be fine. We'll make it home. It's only a little bit on the floor. So, yeah, tonight has been eventful. Once I take the skid wheels out the back, I think we'll be good. Alright, that's fine. Cable ties, not a good exhaust hanger.
We've got an issue with a fucking fuck off.
Right, let's leave. It's recording. There's a person.
There appears to be a vehicle. they didn't work, and we have broken the exhaust, even worse.
Yeah, we have.
Got a serious samba band going on underneath now. Ding diddling diddling.
We need to retrieve that.
The exhaust literally just came off.
Were you recording as well?
Yeah. The exhaust literally just got ripped off the Volvo.
Let's go and retrieve it.
There was many sparks and a big bang. Oh, it stinks. Now it sounds like one of Tom's cars. Where's the exhaust? Stop. You're going to hit it. There it is. Right. Get out and get the exhaust.
In the middle of the road.
Yeah. Don't worry, it's fine. Midnight door, potato! Is it many hots?
Yes. Oh. So my fixed exhaust is fucked.
That definitely fell off.
Right. Now let's go elsewhere. Turn my hazards off before the police come.
Oh god.
Oh yeah. This is what it was like driving to Churches earlier.
Well, the exhaust definitely broke. I think that's probably about it, really, isn't
So
it?
now we need a proper exhaust on this thing.
Yeah, one that's not attached with cable ties. We've come to a small lake in the middle of the road. It turns out the Volvo does not only just look like a boat,
It is a boat.
it is actually a boat. Like, it will genuinely go over water better than some boats. It's nearly as good as an R33 Skyliner being a boat.
Nothing's that good.